Taking movies, okay.
Has a lot of good stuff to choose from, Erik.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Sure do.
Fix that big one in the back.
Big flat one in the back.
Big flat one. That's a really great
Is it a blown up X-ray of uterus? If it is.
So I don't have to press anything, right?
Whatever you see in the finders, what's taping.
Yeah, he's doing video.
Oh, it's really cool. Come on, you guys. Push this, yank the
The
right person.
Really like,
Okay. You're good at dancing for all? Right?
No, I just tried.
rattles.
I was hoping you had some wine left.
It's chicken though. It means it's either already been broken or.
I'm just kidding. I know it's
Decoration.
Yeah.
what is it,
Broken
Erik?
now.
It's not open yet.
Oh,
It's sealed really good.
I guess.
Which means it might be exploding. One never knows.
I think I would
Made in China.
I think that one shoe would be good. Oh, it's always one shoe. Well, that's true.
Boy, sharpen that. That needed more tape.
Oh, it's a key. It's a key to the sound room.
Styrofoam, yeah.
I've seen that before, haven't we?
Value too, you got some batteries.
Does it sing?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's playing.
Well, you hang that right alongside that rooster.
Something to practice with.
There'll be a line running to get that.
Yeah, but it's been retaped several times, you notice.
It's from last year, yeah. I recognize it. Yeah, I recognize it.
Save this stuff.
Because I think this has got batteries.